If you have spent years doing medium work like nursing, retail, or factory jobs, and now a physical disability is making it impossible to keep up, you might be thinking about applying for Social Security Disability Insurance or SSDI benefits. Proving your disability to the Social Security Administration can feel like a daunting task, especially after a career of physically demanding work. My name is Kaitlin Wildoner, and I'm an attorney who helps disabled clients obtain their disability benefits as quickly as possible so they can focus on getting better. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to prove a physical disability for SSDI benefits if you've done medium work in the past with practical steps to get you the benefits you deserve. Medium work, as defined by the Social Security Administration, involves lifting up to 50 pounds occasionally, 25 pounds frequently, and standing or walking for much of the day. Think jobs like delivery driving or warehouse stocking. To qualify for SSDI benefits, you need to show that your physical disability, like chronic joint pain or heart issues, prevents you from doing medium work and any less demanding jobs, including sedentary desk roles. For those over age 50 or 55, the Social Security Administration's Medical Vocational Guidelines, or GRID rules, can make approval a little bit easier by recognizing that transitioning to lighter work is tougher after years of medium-level exertion. The Social Security Administration needs to see evidence that your condition limits your ability to perform medium work tasks, like lifting, prolonged standing, and it also rules out simpler jobs. You can qualify by meeting a specific Social Security listing, like 1.15 for spinal disorders, with medical proof like MRIs or doctor's notes that show severe limitations. If you don't meet one of those listings, you can still qualify for disability benefits through your residual functional capacity, or RFC, which details what you are still able to do. For example, if your condition limits you to lifting less than 10 pounds or standing for under an hour, the Social Security Administration may find you unable to do medium or even light work, especially if your skills don't transfer to sedentary jobs. Your medium work history can strengthen your case, as it shows you might not be easily to adapt to less physical roles. Thanks so much for watching. If you're disabled and unable to work, click the scheduling link below, or give us a call directly for a free consultation where we discuss your case and see what I can do to help you.